Halo guys, salam hebat, luar biasa. Ini saya unboxing produk ya, ini baru datang. Saya taruh di sini ya guys. Banyak banget guys, ini pesanan ya, pesanan teman-teman.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Ya,
Please, Lord, give me a sign.
nih. Ini natesh, ya, natesh. Ini ada 4, 5 yang natesh day, yang extra long. Ya, ini pesanan besti-besti yang cantik ya. Ini buat malam. Ini juga, oh yang buat condilernya belum datang ya guys. Yang pesen belum datang ya, masih nunggu. Ini beautician. Ini glassing ya, buat wajah. Saya juga udah nyoba, bagus banget ya ini. Terus ini beautician juga, toner.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Terus ini beautician moisturizing cream. Saya juga pakai ini ya guys. Ini bagus banget. Ini ada 1, 2, 3. Terus ini ada medical. Ini ada 1 ya. Terus ada BMC. BMC-nya 2. BMC ya, ini bagus banget. Terus ini ada kacamata ion pesanan ini ya, ini buat pria ya. Oh berarti cuma 1. Ada ini ya, pasta gigi Kangjen. Ini ada 6. Ada 6 ya guys. Terus super food BM ini ya, ini yang isi 150. Ini ada 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh ada 5 ya. Terus vitamin C Pruesi, ini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ada 10. Oh saya minum 1. Oh ya ininya ada 6 ya, saya minum 1 botol saya ambil. Ini yang kecil ini ada 9 ya, ini yang si 50 ada 9. Terus ini ada sabun ginseng warna hijau, ini ada warna kuning. Oke ya, banyak banget guys ya. Nanti yang pesen besok hari Senin aku kirim ya guys, hari Senin aku kirim ya. Oke, terima kasih ya. Buat teman-teman yang pingin pesen boleh ya, nanti tak kasih nomor WA ataupun yang tanya-tanya bisa ya bentuknya apa aja gitu. Oke, terima kasih. Salam buat kalian.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin.